Trees are one of the most essential elements of nature and play a vital role in maintaining the healthy functioning of our planet's ecosystems. Here are the key reasons why trees are important. 1. Oxygen production. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis and produce oxygen. They are the source of the oxygen that is crucial for life on Earth. By reducing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, trees play a significant role in combating climate change. 2. Habitat provision. Trees serve as habitats and shelters for numerous species. Many animals find refuge in the branches, cavities, and roots of trees. Trees also provide a source of food for birds, insects, and other organisms. 3. Soil erosion prevention. Tree roots hold the soil firmly, preventing erosion. The roots help to prevent the soil from being washed away during periods of heavy rainfall. Trees also reduce the impact of floods and landslides. 4. Contribution to the water cycle. Trees contribute to the water cycle by releasing water vapor into the atmosphere. Through transpiration, the water vapor condenses in the atmosphere, forming clouds, and eventually returns to the earth as precipitation, nourishing the soil and water sources. 5. Climate regulation. Trees provide cooling effects. By reducing high temperatures in their surroundings, they also act as windbreaks, creating microclimates. Forests contribute to climate stability and regulate local climate conditions. 6. Carbon sequestration. Trees absorb and store carbon during their growth process. This helps to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and is effective in combating climate change. The destruction or reduction of forests increases carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, enhancing the greenhouse effect. 7. Aesthetic and spiritual value. Trees enhance the environment with their natural beauty and provide shade. They enable people to connect with nature and have a positive impact on our mental well-being. For these reasons, trees are crucial for maintaining ecosystem balance, supporting biodiversity, and ensuring our continued existence. Preserving trees, supporting reforestation projects, and preventing deforestation are essential for creating a sustainable world for future generations.